Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and to the last video that I will be filming this year. I believe I am posting this on December 31st, so Happy New Year to everybody. I just wanted to say a quick thank you to all of you and just let you know how much I truly appreciate every single one of you for just coming and watching my videos. I'm a very small fish in this big ocean of YouTube content creators, so I really appreciate all the love and the support, and I can't wait for 2023. I'm excited to be posting different content for you. Of course, I'll be doing the luxury unboxings and try-ins and stuff, but I do want to branch out and try some different concepts for videos, so please let me know what you would like to see. But I thought we would end this year with a haul. These are items that I picked up, I would say primarily from the Boxing Day sales that went on, so I'm excited to show you because a lot of these items are still on sale. So it'll be a good way to start your 2023 wardrobe. Let's start off with Aritzia. I did place 3 separate orders. I have worn 2 of the items twice, but then everything else is brand new. So we're gonna start off with the piece I'm most excited about, and that is another slouch coat. So I think I do have an obsession because now this is my 3rd one, but let me explain why I had to get this. So like I said, I have 3. I will do a quick try on or maybe include pictures. Honestly, I'm pretty lazy right now, but I picked this one up in the wool boucle, and I think that's important to note because they have so many different fabrics, and if you're new to the slouch coat, you might not be sure which one to get, and I will give you some pros and cons to each that I have. But I got it in the color Whisper White in a size extra small. It was $3.98. I think right now they're on for $3.58. My size in this is currently sold out though, because these do fit extra sort of oversized. So before I show you this one, let me show you my original OG one that I got when the slouch coat first came out. You can even tell the difference in the tag, from the original one, but that's the original tag there. I got this in an extra small when it first came out. You can tell the original ones because the original ones have 6 buttons. So if you are planning on getting it on the pre-loved market, I guess you would say, or secondhand, just note that the 6 buttons in total, 3 on each side, is the very first one that came out. So this is in the camel. I'm not sure if you can see, it has a little bit of a fuzzy type of texture to it because of the camel hair. This one is so soft, you can see it's so incredibly soft and comfortable. And I think one of the major things for me is when I get in and out of the car, if my jacket is stiff, it's hard for me to get in and out of the car, and then it really annoys me. This one is just, the drape on it hangs so nicely, it's so flowy, it's warm. This one, I think, is the fabric content's a little bit different now. So the original one that I got is 71% camel wool, 21% wool, and 8% nylon. The new version is actually the exact same, except they call it polyamide. Polyamide is nylon. That's the exact same thing. So it is the same, which is amazing because I think some people are saying the fabric changed. The fabric has not changed. I love this one. I would 100%, if you're starting off with the slouch, to get the camel. That would be my first choice. Well, I haven't actually worn this one yet, but and then last year I picked this one up. You can kind of see the color here. It's more of a grayish beige color. This was, I believe, called Heather Almond, and this is the wool version. So 100% wool, no camel. This one is way heavier, I will say that, and it's also more structured. It might be harder to tell, but this one is just way softer. This one I don't wear very much because I don't like how heavy it is and how structured it is. It hangs a lot differently. And this one also came in that weird number sizing. So this was a size 1, which is the smallest size. So the fabric on this one is 90% virgin wool and 10% cashmere, which is also pretty good. I mean, it's a fairly low amount of cashmere, but it does have some in it. So this was the one that I got last year. And then this one is the one, like I said, I picked up this year. This is the color I wanted. So you can see a difference. I wanted a white coat last year, and this was like the closest that they had to it. So you can see this is that creamy, beautiful, kind of off-white color here. I love it. It's stunning. So I got this one thinking I would sell this one here. This one is just as soft and just as smushy and just as light. And I knew that kind of going in, that boucle was sort of like a lighter fabric. But this is 100% wool. Yes, so the actual body of it is 100% wool, which is amazing. So I say that because I had originally looked at the herringbone. So the herringbone also comes in a really beautiful, I will put a picture somewhere here, but it comes in a really beautiful kind of white and birch color. But if you look at the herringbone, it says handcrafted with virgin wool and cashmere. But when you actually look at the fabric that it's made out of, it's only 65% wool, 31% polyamide, which is nylon, and 4% cashmere. Like 4%, like this one at least is 10% and then 90% wool. So I feel like you're paying for 31% nylon. I don't feel like that's worth it. Nylon is not gonna be warm. That is the first item that I picked up from Aritzia. The other two items that came with that order, I have already worn, but I'm going to show you. So the first one is by TNA, and it's the Sweat Fleece Cozy Mega Fit. I believe this one is on sale for like 10% off right now. The color that I got is black, and I got mine in a size 1. This one is sold out online, but it might be available in stores. I will say, I wish I got a size 2 in this, because it's not, even though it's the mega fit, it's not really oversized, and you'll see that later. I wish it was just a lot baggier. And the neck, the model has it done up. I cannot do this up without literally choking. So the neck is tiny. I don't know if you can see that. Like, it is so small. So unless you have a really skinny neck, I don't think that this is gonna be comfortable. It does have pockets, which is really nice. And the pockets are the kind that don't make you look overly bulky in like the midsection. So I really like that. It is very comfortable, and it's soft on the inside. The next item that I picked up are the Wilfred Free Brennan pants. This was actually a recommendation from someone a while ago. They put in the comments that I should try them out, and I liked them to begin with, but I didn't pick them up right away. And now I love them. So they are a high-rise utility pant. So they have some detailing here. It might be harder to see on the black, but there's some detailing kind of on the knee area there. And then they have that little loop on the side. Just these basic kind of pockets on the back, but they are very comfortable. I am 5'5" and about 115 pounds, and I would say the length on these fit really well. I don't have like extremely long legs though, so maybe that's why, but I will say size down in these. So in the reviews they were saying size down, so I'm generally a 2 or a 4. So I was thinking like my modern cargos, which would probably be closest to this, were a size 2. So I got a size 2 in these, but these stretch out a lot. So I do want to get the birch. I would have to get a size 0 in them, and there's no way, like I am not a size 0 at all. So there's definitely, they definitely fit big is what I'm saying. So size down, even maybe like 1 or 2, because generally, like I said, I'm like a 2 or a 4 in Aritzia pants, like house brand, but I really like these. These are in the GD black. I haven't had any issues. My modern cargos are also GD. I haven't had any issues with like pants in the GD fabric. It's more so like the sweatshirts and the hoodies in the GD. So these are on sale. The black right now are like 10% off, so they're down to $115 from $128, but they do have some, I guess, seasonal colors that are more affordable. So they're like $89 for I think 3 of the colors. So if those are colors that you like, definitely save some money on those. These next items I actually picked up before Boxing Day. So I think the Boxing Day sale started online on the 24th or 25th. I picked these up around the 20th. They had just been adding items to their sale section basically since Black Friday. So I picked up 3 of the same shirts. These are the basics. I'll show you the gray. The gray might come off, and you might be able to see the texture of the fabric. This is just the waffle fabric. It's by TNA. This one they always have, I feel like. This is the Alamo Waffle in the Heather Dover gray, and then I bought it in the black and the cream, all in size extra small. I find that the waffles fit a little bit big. They're cropped, as you can see, but not crazy cropped, because I don't like to do a ton of really heavily cropped clothes and show my midsection. They were regular $40. I got them on sale for $20. I think they're all, every single color was on sale for $20, and I just thought, even if I'm not wearing it out, wearing it at home, it's just a nice basic. They're really nice and light. TNA waffles also wash and dry really well. I have quite a few of these that I always pick up during the sale time. And then I picked this one up here, another black sweatshirt, but this one is a graphic one. This one is called the New Cozy BF Crew, and a size small, and it was $88. But it just has this embroidery on the front, and it says True North Alpine for TNA 1997, and then just as like state champion. So this is just another basic. I just thought this would go well with like jeans or with leggings, and I think this one was half price as well. It was, so because you can't return them when they're half price. So it's regular $88, and I believe it was, I think it was even cheaper than that. I think it was $40. But they have it in a green, and they also have it in kind of like a heathered gray. And then I picked this one up, which they've had this for a while too. This is the Polar fleece jacket. It just says Polar actually, and I got mine in Whisper White in a size small, and again this was half off. So last year I had picked up a version of this with the quilted inside, and that one's just way too bulky. I really, really love just the Polar fleece from Aritzia. I have a quarter zip in this exact same color, the Whisper White, and I always get a ton of compliments on it. People always want to know where I got that from, and I feel like it's just a basic from Aritzia. So this one is nice. It's just a button up. It's really soft. It's really light. It's not very structured. So for Vancouver weather, I feel like this is really good. Last time that I picked up, I did get from the Boxing Day sale. I believe I picked this up on the 25th, and it's the collab by Emo Australia and TNA. So they came out with some different boots and slippers, and I had received some gift cards for Aritzia, so I thought, why not treat myself and get a pair of boots. So these are the mini Stingers in the chocolate color. So beautiful. So the only thing that makes it TNA is like the little TNA symbol right there, and then it just says Emu Australia in the back. So I do have a pair of these kind of mini boots by Suey Coke. I picked up last year, and those are waterproof, and they've been amazing. These ones are water resistant, it says right there. I think that Uggs are also water resistant as well. I only have the Ugg Tasman, oh, sorry, I just got a text message. I only have the Ugg Tasman, and I got mine in a size 8, which is generally the size that I always take, and they fit perfect. I think the chocolate brown is all sold out, but I absolutely love that color. I picked up a couple of things from Essence that I just want to show you really quick. Actually, I picked up quite a bit from Essence, but a lot of the things are like home things that I don't really think you care about. And from Holt Renfrew. Holt Renfrew has an amazing sale right now. I picked up a lot of home like things from them, like towels and plates and bowls and stuff like that. But I have 2 items to show you from Essence, and one I think is amazing, and it is this backpack here, and it is by Chloe. Sorry, it was on the ground, so now it's like all smushed up. It's by Chloe. It's just this navy color, and it's in this nylon kind of fabric. The fabric, it did mention it has been treated to be waterproof, which for Vancouver weather is perfect. This is from the kids section, so don't sleep on the kids section, because I honestly think that this is such a good backpack for the price. So this was regular $4.80. I got it on sale for $2.88. It's still on the site. They also have like a peach color, but I just thought the navy was so good. For the price point of it, I feel like it's pretty good, because if you were to shop the women's section, this would, I don't even know, probably be like $1,000 or over. But for $2.88 That is pretty good. So it just says Chloe there in the white. The peach version's a little bit different. The peach version has like a little bit of rubberized parts that say Chloe, but I wanted the navy. And so it just has the gold detailing, which I like, and the white pull tabs. And then it has 2 pockets on either side. It will look a lot better. It's not filled right now, it's empty, but it has 2 pockets on the side. It has a pretty generous pocket in the front here. And again, it is lined as well, so that's also good. And then when you open it up, and this is the part that was really important to me, I checked the measurements before I bought it just to make sure like it would fit a laptop, and it does. So it has this part here, it just says Chloe there in brown leather, and then it has a part for you to put either an like a laptop or an iPad or something, and then it just has its main compartment and no other kind of pockets. But I do have my MacBook. Oh, here, it's right in front of me. I believe it's 13 inches, and it does fit in the back. So I like that. My work laptop is also a MacBook Air. I don't think I can show you me putting it in because it's a little bit of an awkward kind of frame, but there you go. So it fits, and then you can just keep it nice and secure. I just grabbed some items that were in my vicinity, and now you can see what it looks like when it's sort of full. Well, at least the front pocket's full. The side, I didn't fill the inside all the way. I definitely could have. So you can see how it kind of expands there. But let me show you the items that I did put in. So this front pocket holds a lot. It actually looks like an adult size backpack, if we're honest. So in this front pocket, I have my mini pochette. I have my little Gucci Ophidia key pouch. I have my wallet. I have, oh, is that it? Yeah, that's it in the front. And then on the side, in one of these, I just put my hand sanitizer. But you could definitely fit a water bottle, a coffee mug, something in there. The inside of it now, I'll show you everything that I fit in. And I feel like I could have fit some more. There's definitely a little bit more room, but I just grabbed whatever was around me. I have my AirPods. So if you're gonna go work at like a cafe or something, or if you just take them to school with you or to work. I have my Louis Vuitton desk agenda. I just grabbed my Hermes book from my coffee table. And then I also grabbed this magazine, which is pretty tall, like if you compare it to the size of the bag. It's almost like the same kind of size. I just grabbed that. And then I also have my laptop in there. So I feel like it holds a good amount for being a kid's backpack. So if you want to save some money and you want to get a luxury backpack, definitely check out the kids section. So like I mentioned, they had the navy blue, which this was a $288, and then they had a peach color, which I think was maybe like $325 or so, but even not on sale, they're under $500. Last item I'm going to show you is from Essence, and it's more of a home item. Like I said, I picked up a lot of home goods from Holt Renfrew and Essence, but this one I think is really cool, especially if you're planning on gifting it, because I would love to get this. This is the second one that I bought. So I bought this beginning of December for my bathroom, and then I picked up another one for the kitchen, but it's by the brand Forgo. And it comes like this. So this is a soap dispenser, and this is your soap. So the soap dispenser is super cool. It even comes packaged really nice. So if you're going for like a housewarming gift, this would be perfect. So this is the soap pump right here. So it just says Forgo, and it says hand soap, and it's like in a glass container. The cool part I think about this really is the soap. So one of these is the refill pack. This is the refill that I bought, and this is the one that comes with it. It just says Forgo there. And the soap is just a pouch, because honestly, the majority of soap that you buy is water. So they just give you the powdered package of soap, and then you add the hot water to it, which I think is amazing. I should also mention that because it's glass, you can use it forever, essentially. This box is recyclable, everything in here is recyclable, and these are compostable. So if one of your goals is to be more sustainable in 2023, then I would definitely kind of check out this kit. I think that when it's on sale right now on Essence, bang for the buck. It's so good. And like I said, amazing gift, amazing gift. I will list everything down below. Again, thank you so much for all the love and the support. I hope that you have an amazing last night of your 2022, and I can't wait to see you in 2023. Bye.